Today we're unboxing the Harbor Freight Flux 125 welder. This is a cheap, inexpensive welder. I think it's on sale for 80 bucks at Harbor Freight. And I've been needing a welder to work on various projects here and there. So I thought I'd give this cheap welder a little try. See what's inside. Here's the owner's manual and safety instructions. Let's see, right here we have, I guess, the handles for the machine, the wire feed tip, and some screws here. Let's see, and this looks like a little brush and a little chipping hammer. It's supposed to have everything you need in the box just to start welding. This is the shield for your handheld face mask. And this must be a spool of wire. Yes. So it comes with a roll of wire to get started with. Let's get this machine out of the box here. And your face shield. So let's take a look at the unit itself. Comes covered with cardboard to protect it during shipping. Let's see, on the front here you have your wire feed, speed control, your on and off switch, and your voltage level, minimum or maximum. Let's take a look in the top here. So right here, 125 amp flux wire welder. Gives you an idea of the thickness of your steel that you're going to be welding, and your minimum amp setting, and what size wire you're using. Okay. So let's get this thing set up. Now to set this spool up, remove the nut and the spring and the cap. Place your spool of wire on so it unfeeds counterclockwise. Put the cap back on it with the spring and the nut. Now, to get it in the feed system, you have to loosen this nut up just enough so this will raise up and this slides out. Pull your wire out, cut off a little piece. And run it into the wire of the tube here. Line it up in your hose. And lock it back down. Okay, once you have the spool fed into the automatic feed here, you want to take the tip. It says to pull the tip off, but it actually twists off. Take a pair of pliers and remove the tip. Then you want to turn your machine on Leave the top open so you can observe the mechanism, make sure it's feeding. Pull the trigger until the wire comes out. And there you go. Now you can turn the machine off and unplug it. Feed the tip over the wire. And screw it down into the tip. Put the tip back over. There you go. Now you're ready to start welding. Close the lid. And you're ready to go. Now let's go ahead and get the handle installed. It slides on from the end this way and drops in. Comes with an extra wire tip, 030. You'll have to get a 035 if you decide to use 035 wire. And the screw for the handle. Drops in from the top. With the washer and the nut. And just screw it down. And there you go. Okay, so the machine's all set up and ready for welding. Got the handle mounted on it. It does come with this little reference card to show you what your weld should look like and what you can do to kind of improve the weld. Like I said, this is just a starter machine, 85 bucks on sale. Normal price about $115. Beginner welder for the do-it-yourselfer. Repair things around the shop or whatever. I think it'll work fine. We're going to do a review on it. Build a little welding table. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. And subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.